Hey, credit junkies. Welcome back to Credit Repair Junkies podcast, the go-to podcast for credit repair entrepreneurs who want real results, real systems, and real income. I'm Bruce Falatano, founder of Credit Repair Junkies and creator of the CRO Bootcamp, where we help new and growing credit repair pros enroll 100 clients in 100 days and scale into a business that runs like a machine. Today's episode is all about what not to do when launching your credit repair business, because the first 90 days are critical and most people waste them trying to figure it out. I'm going to walk you through the biggest mistakes that will slow you down, stress you out, and stall your growth, and how to avoid them like a pro. So let's get started. Mistake number one, waiting to feel ready. Let me be real with you. Most people spend their first 90 days reading, watching YouTube videos, or organizing their Google Drive, all in the name of getting ready. You do not need to know everything to get started. You just need three things: a working offer, a clear outcome for your clients, and a basic system to onboard and communicate. You'll learn as you go, especially if you have support from someone who's already walked the path you're on. Perfection is procrastination dressed up as preparation. Mistake number two, not building systems from day one. The minute you take on your first 3 to 5 clients, everything breaks if you don't have systems. Here's what you need to automate early: client enrollment, onboarding and document collection, monthly updates and reminders, billing and payment processing. If you do all of this manually, you're going to hit burnout before you ever hit $5,000 a month. Inside the CRO Bootcamp, we give you pre-built templates and automation flows so that this doesn't slow you down. Mistake number three, offering credit repair instead of a transformation. If your offer says, "I fix credit," you're blending in with every DIY kit and sketchy Facebook ad out there. Instead, lead with, "I help renters become mortgage ready. I help entrepreneurs clean their credit and get funding. I help families rebuild after bankruptcy." You're not selling deletions. You're selling a future. Lead with transformation. Mistake number four, relying on word of mouth. Yes, referrals are great, but if your business depends only on someone remembering to tell someone about you, you're stuck. Here's what works: short form video content like Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, DMs with value-led conversations, strategic partnerships with realtors, lenders, and car dealerships. Look, the name of the game is eyeballs. If people don't see you, they won't pay you. Mistake number five, trying to do it all yourself. You should not be printing letters at midnight, answering every email, and chasing every task manually. Smart moves in your first 90 days will be to outsource dispute fulfillment or use a professional and trusted team like CRJ. Bring on a VA for admin tasks. Create SOPs and client pipelines in your CRM. You don't need a huge team, but you do need a system. Otherwise, you're stuck at 5 to 10 clients a month max. Mistake number six, not tracking your numbers. If you're not tracking key numbers from day one, you'll fly blind. What gets tracked gets managed. So track how many leads you're getting weekly, how many DMs you're sending, how many appointments booked, how many clients enrolled, and an average monthly retention. Data drives growth. Emotion slows it down. So if you're in your first 90 days or you're about to launch, keep it simple. Stay focused and avoid the mistakes that most people make. If you want to skip the guesswork and follow a proven step-by-step plan, that's exactly what we do inside the CRO Bootcamp. We help you launch with systems, automation, and support, so you're not stuck figuring it all out by yourself. If you're ready to get real results, check out creditrepairjunkies.com/go and join the movement. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode.